That's what it sounds like before. We'll let you guys hear it after. So you guys saw before what it sounds like. This is what we did to it. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then it's wires into a single. Then it wires back out into a double with FLOWMASTER FX series. Right there and right there. Then we did also a muffler delete. Right there. And right there. And then we put 5-inch tips. Right there. And right there. 5-inch blue burnt flame. Really nice setup. This is the muffler that came off of it. Huge muffler. And that's the 2 resonators right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2015 Nissan 370z. Really nice color. It was different. I don't know what's this color called, do you know? Cherry black. It's a nice color. Got factory converters there and there. Wires into a single there, then it wires back out. So basically that's Nissan's version of an X-pipe kind of. I don't know why they do that. Back pressure, I guess. Got factory resonators there. Then what we did is a muffler delete there and there. And left his stock tips there and there. So this is what it will sound like with a rear muffler delete 370Z 2015. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. FLOWMASTER FX band, they make the point. 370Z. That's good. You like it? There's sound decibels on it again. 106. Perfect. Go ahead and back it up. Sounds good. Sounds really nice. Black Cherry 370Z. I think he likes it. Muffler deletes.